Alright guys, so the last time we spoke about this particular website was about 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. That was when I actually posted this particular video that I gave the title one task equals $1. All right, so that was when I made this video. I posted it about 2 months ago, and people who participated or who took action made a lot of profit, and up to date people are still cashing out big time from this particular website. Do well to watch the video till the end, as I am going to teach you all you need to know about this particular website, and of course I'm going to be making live withdrawal to show you guys that it works. All right, so I'm going to be making live withdrawal right here, and the most interesting part about this particular website is that it is totally free, 100% free, meaning that you do not need to invest anything, you do not need to do anything much serious. All you need to do is simply watch the video to the end. Let me show you how you can be able to go about it. So we are going to be talking about this particular website called BEEZO. All right, so you call it BEEZO Hive. So on this particular website, what it does is that it literally pays you for completing any task at all. They call it quest. All right, so for every quest that you complete, they pay you instantly and you can withdraw immediately. There's no delay, you don't need to invest anything. In fact, you are not even allowed to invest anything. Okay, so right now guys, watch the video to the end like I already say, and let's get started right now. But before we do that guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, what I'm going to be explaining right now on this, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, so that whenever we post new video, YouTube will send it to you. Also, go ahead to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, drop an interesting comment. All right, so with that being said guys, let's now go straight to the main business of the day, which is of course how you can be able to participate on this particular website. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and create your account. Okay, so to be able to create an account, it is very easy. So I'm going to be leaving the link right there on the video description box. Once you click on the link, then you go ahead, input your email, complete the captcha, and boom, you are good to go. So immediately you create your profile, then you are going to be seeing that your own is not yet verified. This is very, very important. So you need to make sure that you verify your account before you can be able to complete any task. That is the first step. So go ahead, verify your account. The verification is very simple and it is even self-explanatory. So go ahead, create your account, verify it, and boom, you are good to go. Okay, so right now the first thing you need to do right now is to come over here that we have available quest right here. So over you can see we have only 2 available quests right here. Let me first of all explain everything right on the dashboard. So over here we have the quest tracker. This actually shows the quest that you have completed, the one that is in progress. And if you look over here, you can see this is your RC balance. I have my RC balance to be 144, and of course this is where we are going to be cashing out. That is where we are going to be making our withdrawal, and here shows the rules and regulation. And of course this is of course just click, or you don't need to worry about this. Click on the link right on the video description box. The code is going to be there automatically. Okay, so right now this is all you need to know about the first dashboard. So when you come over here, let me click on it. Okay, let me click on it and show you something real quick. So over here, when you click on this right now, this is going to be showing you the available quest like I already told you guys. So literally, let me start from here. You can see over here on the available quest, when you click on quest right now, it is going to be taking you to the page where these quests are available. So for example, right here, the quests are very simple to complete. Okay, so once you have created an account and verified it, you need to come over here to the available quest. So in this case, let me just explain. You can see over here we have this to be 217 spots left, meaning that after 217 persons complete this task, then it is no longer going to be available for everyone. And this one is 176. When 176 persons complete this particular task, it is no longer going to be available to anybody. Now when you look again, you can see we have this to be the reward. This is the reward right here, 50 RC, and this 50 RC is equal to 0.05 USDC. This literally means that 100 RC, which is a reward coin, 100 reward coin is equal to 0.1 USDC. Okay, and if you look over here right now, you can see this is also the reward for completing this task is 50 RC, which is also equivalent to 0.05 USDC. Now how do you actually complete any task right here? Okay, once you click on any of them, let me say for example I will check this first one right now. You click on it. Okay, well, now when you click on it, allow it to load completely. Do not be in a hurry. So over here on this particular task, what they are requiring you to do is very simple. So what they require you to do is listed down right here. You can see the reward is 50 reward coin, and the category is Hive community poll. Now they said new BEEZO user flow UX UI design is coming. Before the launch, we want to hear from you or our community. Your feedback help us shape the future of BEEZO together. How it works. Now, how it literally works is this. Now you need to go to Telegram and vote. Okay, now they said submit your vote on BEEZO Telegram poll. Now the second thing you need to do is take a screenshot of your Telegram poll vote. For example, right now, once you click over here on this particular link right here, once you click on it, you are going to be taken to the BEEZO Telegram channel. Over there, you simply need to cast your vote. Once you cast your vote, then you scroll down right here. Once you cast your vote, you take a screenshot, then you post the screenshots right here that we have a start quest. So for example, for me to be able to complete this particular task and get my reward, then I need to click on this Telegram design upgrade. Then I'm going to be taken to the BEEZO Hive Telegram community immediately. Okay, so right now I'm going to be taken to the BEEZO Hive Telegram community, and over here right now, let me show you real quick, bear with me. Okay, so over here right now, this is the Telegram community right here, and this is the vote. This is where we are actually required to vote, right? So now, for me to be able to cast my vote, I simply need to do this. Do you like the new BEEZO user UX or UI design? I will say yes. Then once I click on yes, then I have to take a screenshot like this. Okay, now once I've taken the screenshot, it means I've voted. Then I need to head back right now to this website, and once I come back to this website, then I will come down right here. Okay, they say this is the important rule that you need to take note of before you upload anything. Now they said upload a screenshot and type Telegram handle to complete the verification of this quest. So right now, remember clearly that I'm only showing you example of how to complete this particular quest. Every other quest have their own different rules. So remember, we have taken a screenshot. I will click on start the quest. Once I click on start the quest, this is going to be loading up right now, and it is going to be showing something like verify. Okay, so right now I will click on verify. Right now I need to upload the screenshot immediately. So now that I have uploaded the screenshots right now, I need to type in my Telegram username. You put at Telegram username. For me, my Telegram username is CryptoSmog. Okay, CryptoSmog like this. Then I will, sorry, I've missed it. Okay, now I will go ahead and click on verify. And once click on verify, allow it to load. Okay, allow it to load completely, and after the loading, then they are going to be telling you, you can see pending. This is now pending verification. They will verify that you have actually voted, and you are going to be given 50 reward coin. Now when you come back right now to tax, and you can see the one that I just completed just disappeared right now. And when I come over here to in progress, you can see this is the one that I just completed already, and this is the one that is currently pending right here. Okay, you can see this one right here is actually pending. Okay, and when we come over here to completed, then you can see all the tasks that I've actually completed. I've completed majority of them right here. You can see this one actually gave me 0.5 USDC and so on. So create your account, verify it, and get started right now. Now the last thing that I want to show you guys is how to withdraw. Okay, so when I click over here on the home page, then you can see the available task right now is only one, and for me to be able to withdraw, I can come over here that we have BEEZO balance. I will click on reward. Okay, so once click on reward right now, they are going to be asking you to connect your wallet. You need to make sure that you connect your wallet successfully. And over here, this is my BEEZO balance right now, 144 reward coins. So over here right now, you can see for you to be able to withdraw, you do not need to have any gas fee on your wallet. They are going to be giving you gas fee themselves. You do not have to pay any fee to withdraw. Every expenses is covered by this particular website, so it is totally safe for you to get started with. Now to continue right now, what I need to do right now is to come over here that we have claim. So over here right now, I need to put the amount that I want to claim. You can see my balance is 144. I will just go ahead and type in 110. let me withdraw 110. So I will click on continue right now, allow it to load. You can see right now that amount that I want to claim is 110 reward coin, and the estimated gas fee is 3 reward coin, which is going to be taken from my own balance, not from my wallet that I connected. Now I'm going to be receiving 107 reward coin, and my balance is going to be 34 reward coin. So let me just go back and withdraw everything once. Okay, 144, right? Okay, right now I will go ahead and continue. You can see the whole thing has changed right now, and let me just withdraw everything once. Now they said we recommend leaving 20 to 30 RC in your BEEZO balance to pay gas fee when swapping to USD. Okay, I will just go ahead and okay, they say we should leave 20. Let me just do it this way, my bad. Okay, let me just go with this. Okay, now I will click on continue. So right now, remember, you need to leave maybe 20 reward coin on your balance so that you can use it to cover the next gas fee you are going to be taking. You can see we are currently undergoing maintenance. Please try again later. Okay, I will try again right now immediately. Then I will click on continue. Let me see if it will go this time. Okay, and right now I just succeeded on claiming. You can see my balance has dropped to 41. So I will come over here to swap. Remember, we just claimed, and right now we are about to swap the reward coin to actual USDC that we can withdraw to our wallet. So right now we need to put the amount we want to swap. So I will go ahead and swap everything 97. Okay, I have 97 on my balance like this. Okay, so I will click on continue. So right now they are going to be telling you everything. So for example, right now they are going to be using 16 RC to give me 0.1 pole. We all know pole is another type of cryptocurrency that they use, that they actually operate on polygomatic pole blockchain. So I will click on buy pole right now. Okay, and this is more reason why you need to leave some amount of RC on your account so that you can use it to offset any fee attached. So right now we have gotten this right now on our wallet. Right now we need to confirm our swap. So we are going to be swapping the 97 RC, and of course we are going to be getting 0.97 USDC. So I will click on confirm swap right now. You can see they are currently processing my transaction, and right now my wallet just popped up right now. I need to confirm it because, you know, I have already connected my wallet. Okay, so over here right now you can see I need to click on confirm. Okay, in this case you can see confirming from my wallet. I'm going to be sending 0.97 reward coin, and I'm going to be receiving 0.097 USDT into my wallet. This has proven that this works very well and it is 100% legit. Okay, so I will click on confirm right now. Okay, you can see it is processing, and we should be good to go right now. You can see they are still processing the transaction, and in just a moment we are going to be good to go. You can see swap completed successfully, and right now my balance has changed to 0 right here. So let me go to my wallet and check it out immediately. I have absolutely nothing on that wallet. Let me see if they have actually sent it to my wallet. Okay, of course this is smart contract, it should be there. Okay, you can see over here we just received it right now, and you can see this is the transaction that I just did right now. They just showed up right here immediately. You can see the today's date is 12th of December 2026, and you can see it has shown up right here. I've received every single thing. So when I come over here to token, okay, when I come over here to token, you can see this is my USDC balance, and you can see 0.097 USDC, which is the one I got right now, and this was the pool that I got during on the same process actually. Okay, so everything is as simple as this. Do not miss out on this. Let me know your thoughts right there in the comment section. If you have any question, do well to drop it on the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you immediately. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next update. Do not forget to join this particular quest and earn for completing any single task. You get paid immediately and you cash out immediately. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very, very soon.